Hi, I'm Dr. Ansanat, lifestyle physician, Savio Wellness Hub, Bangalore. Every day, our body is facing an invisible threat that most of us are not considering or are not aware of it. These are heavy metal toxicity. So, heavy metals like lead, mercury, arsenic, cadmium, this accumulate in our body through the food we eat, such as fish, or the air we breathe, or the water we drink every day. So, in a long term, these heavy metals may accumulate in our body and it disrupts our biological life functions. So, lifestyle changes can give a far benefit from this heavy metal toxicity. So, be very careful on the food or the water we drink and the products which we are using every day.